Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and Game Bar is enabled. Press Win+G to open the Xbox Game Bar. This is the fastest built-in recorder. Once done, choose the Capture widget and click the camera or record button to start a screenshot or short clip. Make sure to set microphone on or off depending on narration needs. You're starting here to avoid jumping into settings later. This ensures the recorder connects to the active window immediately. Next, you'll refine settings so recordings match your goal. Open Settings Gaming Captures to set frame rate, audio quality, and background recording. Higher FPS yields smoother motion but larger files. Use the Game Bar to toggle microphone and system audio live. Make sure the correct audio device is selected. For precise stills or delayed captures, switch to the snipping tool and choose rectangle, window, or full screen. These choices matter because they control file size, clarity, and what sound is captured. Finally, save and polish your capture. Recordings appear in videos /captures and screenshots go to pictures or the clipboard. Open them in Photos or Clipchamp to trim, annotate, or export. If a recording didn't start, restart the Xbox Game Bar with Win+G and confirm background recording is enabled. Make sure privacy settings allow apps access to the microphone and screen capture. One troubleshooting tip. If Game Bar won't record, reboot. Check graphics drivers and verify Windows isn't blocking screen access. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.